Hello, welcome to this video. So this video will be about a conventional question in paper 1 of DSE about application of trigonometry in three-dimensional figure. So we are given a parallelogram. AB is 60 cm. ABD, angle ABD is 20. And then angle BAD is 120. And then we want to find AD. So this angle is also 40. Can also be calculated. So 40. So would be corresponding to this line. And then 20 would be corresponding to this. So that's why here for part A, so AD over sine 20 equals to is that right? Yeah, and then 60 over sine 40. So that's why AD would be approximately equal to 31.9 cm. So that would be saved to part A. Good. Okay, so that's all for part A. So and then the next part, so that would be part B. So part B1, find angle ABC. Of course, okay, angle ABC of angle ABC of figure 3B. Okay, so the paper cut is then folded along BD. So okay, BD. Okay, so this is the folding line. Okay, so basically, so we try to fold the triangular face ABD upward with BCD being stationary, placed on the horizontal ground. Okay, so and then the distance between A and C is 40 cm. So this is 40 cm now. Okay, this is 40. BC, okay, so we'll be using the result of part A, so this is 31.9. And then we also have AB, so AB would be 60. This is 60. Okay, so that's why okay for part B1, so we just try to make use of 40 square directly approximately equals to 31.9 square plus 60 square minus 2 times 31.9 times 60 times cosine of angle ABC, and then cosine of angle ABC would be approximately equals to so 31.9 square plus 60 square minus 40 square divided by 2 times 31.9 times 60. So using A. So that's why 38.0 degree. Good. Okay, so here comes the most difficult part. So part B2. So find the angle between the two planes, basically the two planes. So we have only two planes here. So find the angle between the two planes. So now here we can from the line of intersection BD, So now of course, okay, we can try to pick any one point and then try to draw two normals. Okay, and you can draw two normals. Now bear in mind the normals, okay, may not pass through any vertex of the triangular face. Okay, so that's why now remember it's two normal. Okay, so and then with this angle, so this angle would be the angle required. So no matter which point you are going to take on the yellow line BD, the line of intersection, and then the angle between the two normals produced will be all the same. Otherwise, okay, it won't be found the angle in part B2 from the question. Okay, but you can see here the two green lines. Okay, I'm afraid they cannot be easily found. Okay, so if the two green lines here are not easily found, so how can you find the blue angle based on the trig formula? So from B1 actually is very, very important because okay, it tells us some information about angle ABC. That means actually we need to okay, so we try to find the two normal here. So that's why here there would be this angle. This is the angle we want. Okay, so and then we have to denote some points. So that would be, this is E, and then this is F. Okay. So here it would be better if we can use the 2D paint, okay, or the unfolded figure, okay, to illustrate where are the points E and F. So here I'm afraid it's very important. Okay, how do we have the two blue right angles? It will be here. Okay, so first of all we have E, and then this is F. So where is E and F? First of all, E is a point on BD such that CF is perpendicular to BD. Okay, so right. So well, in this case, well, not too specific, right? So maybe E is yeah. So that would be C. E perpendicular to BD, and then F is a point on AB such that CF or CEF is perpendicular to BD. Okay, so of course CEF will be collinear. Okay, so that's why the task, okay, would be trying to collect this triangle. CEF, so as to find the red angle. Okay, so we need to collect CE, we need to collect EF, okay, with the help of figure 3A or figure 3B. Okay, so do we have now first of all we try to look at CE. So CE is a bit easier because CE is just this. So that's why CE will be directly would be approximately equals to 31.9 sine 40. So It's 31.9. Okay, that's the answer from part A, right? Right. And then times sine 40. Remember to say this answer. That would be answer C then. 20.5. Good. And then after we have CE, okay, I'm sure you need to find BE as well. So A times cosine 40, 24.5. And then from this, okay, so we need to find, so this is 20. Okay, this is 20. And then from this, okay, we need to find EF. So EF would be 24.5, and then times tangent 20. So that's why times tangent 20, so 8.90. So this answer, save it. So that would be D. And then mark it on the figure. EF, so that would be 8.90. Good. And then the key point is how to find FC. How to find FC. So FC, we'll be trying to use this triangle. Okay, so that's why we need BF as well. So that's why BF, so would be using this. So if we have BE, just now we have BE, so that will be 24.5, okay, over cosine 20. Okay. So that will be 26.0. Okay, so with BF, okay, so this one maybe we try to save it as X first. Y, maybe. Because, okay, we need to use this to find, so this is 26.0, and then BC, where's BC? 31.9, and then the angle will be 40, no, 38.0. So 38.0 should be a B, right? Oops. Right, luckily I've saved. So that's why for CF, so CF, okay, would be the square root for 26.0, last square root. So 26.0 squared plus 31.9 squared minus 2 times 26.0, 31.9, and then times cosine 38.0. 26.0 where will be? So X, Y, right, Y. So Y squared 31.9 will be A minus 2 times Y times A, and then times the angle cosine B. Now mentally square root. So that will be 19.7. So finally we got this, 19.7. So finally this theta will be arc cosine of 8.90 squared plus 20.5 squared minus 19.7 squared over 2 times 8.90 times 20.5. 8.90, that would be D, right? Okay. D squared plus 20.5 C squared, and then minus Y squared. Oh my god, 19.7 squared. Wait. Oh, we have to say it to be X. Okay, so y squared plus c squared minus x squared. And over 2 times y times c. Oops. 2 times y times c. And then that goes out there. So that's why at the, oh my god. C squared plus x squared 2 times c. Oh my god, where's my y? 20.5. So where's the 20.5 stuff, or 8.0? D, oh my god, D square should be. So be careful about this thing, okay, you have stored into the calculator. Don't mix them up. Good, and then finally, so that would be 71.9 degrees. That's all for these parts as well as this video. Thank you for watching.